Hello sir, my name is Sawan Patel and today I'm going to work on lab 4, and for that I have the data of live birth, marriages and deaths between year of 1959 to 2020, which I get from this Ontario government website. And I open Power BI and I select my data from to go in get data, and going in Excel and select my Excel file which I saved in my computer. So here is my data, and I'm going to select my first chart, which is column chart, and it shows the data here. And first of all, I change my this name to column chart. Yep. And I'm going to change the title of this chart, and for that I'm going to select 1959 to 2020 and add into a middle so it looks nice and clear. Okay, it shows a little bit messy, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the last 10 years of data so it looks nice and easy to understand. 2022. Yeah, so here's my data of death, live birth and marriage by the year of 1959 to 2020, which shows a column chart. uh, After that I'm going to select this tech area chart and select all of this which is required, and here I change stacked area chart. Going to expand it, take to the middle, going to change the title again, between 1959 to 2020, and going to add into a middle. So here's my stacked area chart, and this red line shows the marriages, dark blue line shows the births, and blue line shows the death. I'm going to add another chart, pie chart or a donut chart, and I'm going to select donut chart for that and select all my data. So again, this is very confusing, and so for that I'm going to select the again last 10 year of data or last 5 years of data. This is the last 2016 to 2020. 2020 it only shows the first quarter of 2020 data, so I'm going to select 2015 again. For here I'm going to change the name donut chart, and going to change the title again, 1959 to 2020. Okay, this shows a donut chart for the death, live birth and marriage by year 1959 between 1959 to 2020. And for the last one I'm going to select the gauge chart, and for that I'm going to select only live birth for the first one and adding another gauge chart which shows the death. So from the gauge chart we can compare the total live births and total deaths between 1959 to 2020. So here is my death and live birth chart. So this shows the uh, live birth is 9 million and death is 5 million, which is like a half compared to the births between 1959 to 2020. Going to add a name, gate chart, and going to change the title again. That's between 1959 to 2020. Same as here. Select into a middle. So this shows the comparison between live births and deaths. So after this, I'm going to create the dashboard, which shows all of this chart into a one dashboard. So going to change the name first of all, and so here is my dashboard. You can see here, and I add the background from going to deformate and page break background, which is I add the file on JPG file. So yeah, here is the background which shows the live birth, death and marriage data between 1959 to 2020. And thank you very much.